In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send crypto from Kraken to your Coinbase account. First of all, you need to open the Coinbase app and copy your wallet address. So you need to open the app, then go to the transactions in the bottom menu, click transfer and select receive crypto. After that, you will see the list of the cryptocurrencies and you need to choose which crypto you want to receive. For example, let's choose most famous Bitcoin, then choose the network. In this case, let's choose the default Bitcoin network. And after we'll get the wallet address from Coinbase, then you can open your Kraken app. So when you open the Kraken, you need to click transfer, select withdraw. After that, you need to choose the asset you are sending from Kraken to Coinbase. So in this case, we are sending Bitcoin, so you need to choose Bitcoin from the list. Then you need to select the network, in this case, Bitcoin network. And then you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you're sending from Kraken to Coinbase and finalize the transaction. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.